Yeah, it just got a little something something from Logitech, and yeah, let's see, Logitech McLaren G, or sorry, McLaren slash Logitech G partnership announcement. Oh yeah, they just signed another contract with each other to continue having their professional collaboration. Yeah. Ooh, this is kind of nice. Yeah, partnership announcement. Let's see. It says here, "Hello, Richard. We're thrilled to let." That's great. It says this is actually from Logitech and McLaren. Super rad here. So here we go. There's this right there in my orange, one of my favorite colors. It says, "Hello, Richard. We're thrilled to let you in on something big. Logitech G and McLaren are continuing our podium-winning partnership that brings the roar of the track straight to your setup. This isn't just a collaboration, it's a shared legacy of performance, innovation, and passion for racing. Together, we're redefining what sim racing means, and you're invited to take the wheel. We'll have more exciting news to share over the next year, but in the meantime, you can use the enclosed Forza Motorsport code to experience the thrill firsthand and enter the Logitech McLaren G Challenge. Whether you're chasing the podium or just love the papaya, now is your chance to bring this story to life with your community. Details will be provided, but please keep in mind that the embargo for all information is, yeah, something here. Okay. Let's see. All right, so I can't, yes, okay, so I can't actually share, hold on, I gotta make sure I don't show this, yeah. Okay, so let's see, all right, there was that right there. Okay, so there's some information there, yep, I can't, all right, there is that. Yep. Okay. All right. So I can't. Oops. Sorry. I can't share specifically what's going to be on here. But yeah, they basically, they announced that they are continuing their working relationship for the next few years. So that's kind of cool. But let's take a look at this. I have wanted one of these for a while, so thank you very much to McLaren for this. Yeah, check this out. McLaren. Nice McLaren hat. This is, for their Formula One team, but still, nice orange. You might have noticed that, my color scheme is orange and black. So, yeah, nice little McLaren snapback hat that they sent me. So, very, very cool. Very cool. Let's see, what else is there? There is a... Oh, and also check this out. Courtesy of McLaren and Logitech G, they sent me... yeah, look at this. Lego Speed Champions. This is the McLaren Formula One team official Lego. Yeah, so that's actually really cool. Super duper. Yeah, Zagran, you like that? So that's kind of neat. And yeah, there was a code for like Forza Motorsports in here somewhere. If I think, unless it's the new one, it might not be the new one, but if it's the new one, I don't have that one yet. But if it's for one of the older ones, I have, I think, some of the older games. So maybe if I already have it, I can give it away. But yeah, cool, check this out. So yeah, it comes with like all the branded helmets and McLaren goodies and all sorts of stuff. So yeah, that's actually really, really cool. So yeah, shout out to McLaren and Logitech G. Thank you very much for the goodies in the mail. Sweet. Like I said, I was reading those cards and only realized it's like, oh yeah, some of the stuff I can't share yet. Yeah, so hold on, let me start that. Okay, so there is that. Okay, cool. Okay, so they've announced, they're getting ready to announce that I'm going to become the next McLaren F1 driver. Okay, very cool, very cool. Let's see. Okay, today... actually, no, the embargo time, let's see, the embargo time is up. Okay, yeah, no, actually the embargo lifted today. So I guess that's why I received it today, because the embargo lifted today. Okay, cool. Let's see here. Yeah, it says the embargo is until June 24th at 12. So it was just, let's see, at noon Pacific, so it's 3 p.m. So yeah, okay, so just, the package literally just showed up here. So, anyways, yeah, they are going to be, where's the schedule here? They said that, yeah, the qualifiers are taking place, I think still taking place right now for number 2. And, yeah, you can go to, let's see, you can go to, where was that website that they had? As always, you can just simply go to logitechg.com. They do post about it there. But yeah, every year they have what's called the Logitech McLaren G Challenge. It's basically a sim racing series. So Awesome. Well, thank you very much, and thank you, McLaren, for announcing that I'll be in the Formula One pits pretty soon. So, okay, cool. That's really rad. Thank you, McLaren, and thank you, LogitechG.